When it comes to building wealth, most people think the problem is a lack of strategy or information. But the truth is that our brains have built-in mechanisms that can actually hold us back from achieving our goals. In this video, we'll explore 3 specific mental blocks that keep you from building a wealth empire and show you how to remove them. Most people think building wealth is a strategy problem. They need a better investment plan, a smarter side hustle, the right mentor. So they keep downloading PDFs and watching videos, and somehow, 3 years later, they're still stuck in the same spot with a longer reading list and a smaller bank account. The problem isn't information. You already know enough to start. What's actually blocking you lives inside your head, in 3 specific patterns that your brain runs on, repeat every time you get close to something bigger. These aren't soft motivational concepts. They're real psychological mechanisms, and once you see them clearly, you can't unsee them. Your brain has a built-in system for keeping you exactly who you already are. Neuroscientists call this identity homeostasis. The same way your body regulates temperature, your mind regulates identity. When your behavior starts to drift too far from who you believe you are, the brain pulls you back. It's not laziness. It's a protection mechanism running exactly as designed. So when you tell yourself, I want to build real wealth, and your current identity is, I'm a student who's barely managing rent, your brain reads that gap as a threat. Not an opportunity. A threat. It produces resistance, self-doubt, sudden fatigue, the urge to scroll instead of act. Those feelings aren't weakness. They're the system doing exactly what it was built to do. Most people try to push through that resistance with discipline and willpower, which is like trying to outmuscle a reflex. You can't win that fight because you're fighting the wrong thing. The only way to actually move is to change what your brain thinks you are, not just what you're trying to do. This is what identity economics means in practice. Your income, your decisions, your risk tolerance, they all follow your identity, not the other way around. Before you can build a wealth empire, your brain needs to believe that a person like you does that. Not, will do it someday, does it now, as a current default. The removal technique here is identity reset, and it's not visualization or affirmations. It's behavioral. You pick one small action that a wealthier version of you would do consistently, something almost embarrassingly small, and you do it every single day for 30 days without missing once. Not because the action itself changes your finances, because your brain is watching your behavior to decide who you are. And repetition rewrites that label at a neural level. The action is just evidence you're feeding the system. The second block is what happens when you consume too much and decide too little. Students and early career professionals are especially vulnerable here, because the internet makes it genuinely easy to feel productive, while avoiding the one thing that actually moves you forward, which is committing to a direction. Mental fog isn't confusion, even though it feels that way. What's actually happening is that your brain is holding too many open loops. Every article you read about crypto, every thread you saved about real estate, every podcast about passive income, those are all unresolved decisions your brain is still actively managing. And the more open loops you carry, the harder it becomes to think clearly about any single one of them, because your working memory is already full. There's a concept worth naming here: strategic subtraction. The path forward isn't adding more information. It's closing loops by making a decision, even an imperfect one, and committing to it long enough to get real feedback. Not 2 weeks, at least 6 months, ideally structured around a longer horizon, where the identity shift has time to actually compound into something measurable. The neural pathway that connects I see an opportunity to I act on it only gets stronger through use. Every time you consume without deciding, you reinforce the loop that ends in more consumption. Every time you commit and act, even badly, you build the pathway that ends in results. The brain doesn't care whether the action was smart. It cares whether the action happened. The removal technique for mental fog is an anti-goal list. Instead of writing down what you want, you write down every financial direction you've been entertaining that you're officially closing today. Real estate maybe. Drop shipping maybe. Day trading maybe. You pick the one thing you're actually going to pursue for the next 6 months, and write a single sentence committing to it out loud. Then you stop reading about everything else entirely. Your brain cannot move forward while it's still managing 17 open tabs in the background, each one quietly pulling focus away from the one that matters. The third block is the sneakiest because it looks responsible. You tell yourself you're not ready yet, that you need to learn more, save more, get a bit more experience, feel more confident first. All of that sounds reasonable, right up until you notice you've been saying it for 2 years straight. Self-doubt, disguised as preparation, has one specific signature. The goalpost moves every time you get close to it. You finish the course, and now you need a mentor. You find the mentor, and now you need capital. You save the capital, and now the market timing feels off. The doubt doesn't dissolve when conditions improve, because the doubt was never actually about conditions in the first place. What's happening psychologically is that your brain is running a threat detection loop. Taking visible action on wealth building means risking failure in a way that other people can witness, including you watching yourself. The brain reads that as dangerous and starts generating reasons to wait. Those reasons feel logical because your brain is genuinely good at making fear sound like wisdom, at dressing hesitation up in the language of strategy and maturity. Strategic disappearance is the concept that cuts through this. It means removing yourself from environments and social comparisons that keep reinforcing the smaller version of your identity. If everyone around you treats financial ambition as arrogant or unrealistic, your brain will keep filing it under threat rather than opportunity. You don't have to announce anything or cut people off. You just quietly stop seeking validation from people whose feedback can't move you forward, because every time you seek it and get skepticism back, the threat detection loop runs another cycle. The removal technique for this block is a real transformation audit. You look back at the last 90 days and find one moment where you knew exactly what to do and didn't do it because you didn't feel ready. Just one moment. Write down what you were waiting for. Then write down what would have actually happened if you'd acted anyway. Most of the time, the worst-case scenario your brain was protecting you from wasn't nearly as costly as 90 days of stalling turned out to be. These 3 blocks don't run separately. Identity homeostasis stops you from seeing yourself as someone who builds wealth. Mental fog stops you from committing to a direction. Self-doubt disguised as preparation stops you from acting, even when the direction is already clear. When all 3 are running simultaneously, and they usually are, the result is someone who's genuinely capable and genuinely stuck, not from lack of talent, but from a protection program the brain built for a version of your life you've already outgrown. The free 3-day challenge linked below covers 1 removal technique per day, 1 for each block, so you can feel what actually shifting these patterns is like before going deeper. Click the link below to get started today. If you've been struggling to build wealth, despite having all the right information and resources, it's likely because of one or more of these 3 mental blocks. Remember that your brain is not lazy or weak. It's just trying to protect you from what it perceives as threats. By recognizing and addressing these blocks, you can start building a wealth empire with confidence. Try out the removal techniques we discussed in this video and see how they work for you.